So once we were deciding to do this, I kind of went through this phase of, man, I'm crazy. You know, like, I must be crazy. I'm a black man trying to start a farm. And I remember I was sitting down with an older cousin of mine. He began to tell me about my great-great-grandmother, who I had never met. Lo and behold, she had a farm. And I found out about it while we were going back and forth in negotiation with this guy for the farm. Because I began to question, you know, whether or not, you know, I'm thinking about retiring from basketball, giving it all up and doing this. And this was during the time of COVID. And I called my grandmother and I'm like, look, I know it's COVID, but I gotta come talk to you. I need you more than ever right now. So we had like a 6-hour conversation. It seemed like 2 hours. And she just told me everything about my great-grandmother and her past and everything. And that was the deciding factor.